Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. This is my dad's fermented bean curd and beef potato recipe that I'm using the Instant Pot to cook. He normally cooks this over the stovetop, but to shorten the cooking time, I'm going to be using the Instant Pot today. Set your Instant Pot to the saute mode. Add the sliced onion and beef and a little bit of oil. Saute everything together well. If you do not have an Instant Pot, you can still make this recipe the traditional way. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine and continue to saute. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 large tablespoon of bean sauce, then add 4 to 5 fermented bean curd cubes. Fermented bean curd cubes adds a nutty and delicious layer of flavor to your beef. Saute and mix everything together well, then add 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Adjust this according to your own preference, as some people like it a little bit more spicy. Set your Instant Pot to the meat stew function and cook for 15 minutes. If you're making this recipe traditionally on the stove, you will need to cook it for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Vent out the steam before safely opening your Instant Pot. Stir and then add your potatoes. Stir to ensure that the potatoes get into that nice, beautiful sauce. Set it to the meat stew function and cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes depending on how tender you like your beef. Remember to always vent out your steam before safely opening your Instant Pot. This recipe is so yummy with rice or noodles. Super tender and tasty. My favorite way to enjoy this dish is over a bed of nice, fresh steamed white rice. Please remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you for watching.